students. Today I am going to show you another conversion of pictorial view into orthographic project views. So look at the image carefully. So I have drawn or indicated by the red lined marks that indicates front view of the image. So as I told earlier, when the picture is given to you, you have to look at the front view from which side they have given front view and from which side they have given right view or left view. Obviously, top view is from the top. So they have given right view, front view, and top views. So if we have to start from this side and right view, we will get the image of orthographic views in left side that we have to remember. So open Solid Edge version 18 software. So select drawing. Before that one, do sheet setup. You can select preferably A4 size sheet, remove the background, click OK and fit to the screen. Draw a center line. Then, since we need views in front view, top view and left view, as right view is given, we have to draw the right view in left side. So I will start drawing this side by looking this one as I told. So the red liner mark indicates front view. We'll start drawing this side. So when we look at the image carefully, so this dimension will be 20, then this dimension is 60, then again this gap is 10, this gap is 40, and this gap is 10 again, and you can just join this. So when you look at this one, I have completed this D portion 20, 60. Here this gap is 10 and this gap is also 10. So when you look at from the front view, there is one step you can see as there is a cutout here. You can see this edge and this dimension also. Extend this dimension 30 by 10. So here again you have to draw from this edge. This is 30 and this dimension is 10, and just you join to that portion. If the portion is too away, you can just select this portion and using move tool, you can move slightly. So then, so as we can see, this portion is also visible 40 by 20 and this portion 20 by 20 is also visible. Draw this one. So this is exactly the line. Height is 20 and this gap is obviously 40, and this one can just stop here. This is again 20 and this gap is also 20. Can just go through the given image and join to this box. So how it looks. This is the way how it looks in the front view. Then take line tool again, change the thickness to 0.13 and project the lines to get top view. So project each and every point from the front view to draw top view. So how it looks from the top. So from the top we can see this block, this H block and F block with a shape like this. This portion is kept open. So start drawing from here. This is 20 and this is 30. Again this is 20 and this gap is also 20. Simply you can join the outline from here to here, then you can start joining. So while draw the actual views, change the thickness to 0.5, take line tool. So change the thickness to 0.5. So then you can just, as we have seen, this dimension is 20. So look at this one. sorry, this dimension is 30 and this side is 20. Change this dimension. I'm going to select this line and delete. I will redraw as that dimension is how much? 30. 30. Obviously, this dimension is exactly 20. Simply you can join this one here. And again from here, from this tip of the line, this is again 20 and this dimension is also 20. Join that one. Clearly look at the image. This is 20 and this dimension is also 20. Then this portion I have to draw. Look at this one. This gap is 20 and this gap is 30. Again, this gap is also 30. So I will extend from this one from here to here. Again, this dimension is 40. Then this gap, inside gap I have to take inside this is 20. So this dimension is 20. Then you take obviously this is 30. Simply you can join this one to here. Then when you look at this one again, this is this block we can see from the top view. This block of 40 and this side is 20. Here you can simply draw the dimension. Take 40. This is already 40 this line. This gap is 20. Straight line you join to see. This is the view how it looks from the front. Block A, block C, that is visible block A and block C. Like this H shape it is visible. In H this shape is visible and similarly this box is also visible. This box is visible. To get the right side view, so we have to draw the right side view and left side. Take a cross section line in the middle. Cross section line. If cross section that means intersection point is not visible, then you have to go to IntelliSketch. It is visible now. Take the angle, don't take length, press tab button, angle 45 degree. Extend the line. To get the views, you have to extend projection line from both the views. To draw projection line, take line tool and reduce its thickness. Projection line will touch to the 45-degree line. So you extend all projection line so that it is very easy to get the views. So from here, one more projection line will come, touch the projection line to the 45-degree line, and then extend that to the top. So here you no need to draw because it is a straight line exactly. Then extend the projection line from front view as well. Now look at the image once. See, in side view, we can see this 30 by 10 block. Beside that, 20 by 10 block. Then above that one, 20 and 20 block. After that one, the Z shape like this one. Okay, let's solve one, draw one by one. So I will solve this one. So this side, so from one more projection line from the base, it is there. So then change the line thickness to 0.5. So from this point we are looking 30. Go through the image 30 by 10 gap. Don't confuse that one. So if you take from this point, this is 30, 30 by 10 outer block I'm getting. Also, I'm getting 20 block here, 20 and 10 block. join this to here. Similar to the front view, in side view also there is a step visible. This step 30 by 10 block and 20 by 10 block is visible. That is finished. So just above the 30 block, we can see 20 and 20 block. You draw step by step. Just above this one, we can see 20 and 20 block. Enter 20 as this is 20 square. Then after that one, we can see a Z shape that is just above this one. Okay, just above 20 and 10 block, just parallel to this one. Just draw this one. Z shape of this gap is 10, and this gap is, you can just clearly observe, this gap is 20, 20 plus 10. So total this gap is 30. But simply just by looking at the Z shape, you can trace it out. Just clearly observe. Just above this block, this height is 10. Already projection line is there. So this gap is 20. Again, this gap will be 20. Again, you can just draw this one and close it carefully. So this dimension is 30 and on this line. So you can clearly observe the Z shape is indicating. After that one, you come to the last portion. Yes, we have reached actually. That is the answer. J portion we have covered. M portion, K portion, and this Z portion is covered here. It is left open. So this is our final. So you just trim the lines that is unwanted. Just trim the unwanted lines and enter the name using text tool, that is front view, front view, and click here and write this is top view, and this is actually right side view. So simply you can write side view, right side view, that we have to draw the left side because view is right side. From when we look at the picture from the right side, the image we will get in the left side. So then, as I told, you show minimum 3 dimensions. For that, you can use smart dimension tool or distance between tool. I'm using minimum 3 dimensions in each view. Distance between this dimension and this dimension, line, that lines. So again, that is 20. Distance between this line to this line is 40. This is correct. And distance between this line to this line is 10. That is also correct. And so here also you show some dimensions. You can use smart dimension tool directly on the line. This dimension is 30. This dimension is 40 again. This dimension is 20. Inside view also you can show few dimensions. This is 10 and this is 10. So here total is again 30. So this is the final view of given picture that is converted into orthographic views. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is helpful for you.